Pero syempre may backup kami, di ba? May bagong
The crowd erupted into gasps and giggles as Ice Sigera, also known as the fabulous Isa Sigera, burst onto the scene in a whirlwind of pink perfection. Hello community! Welcome back to our channel. Dressed to the nines in a mesmerizing array of delicate pink hues and sporting makeup that could make angels jealous, Ice took everyone's breath away. And what was the occasion, you ask? None other than a super-duper special tribute to the one and only Vic Sotto on his big birthday bash during the Parafi portion of the long-time noontime show Eat Bulaga.
Ang saya-saya ng biglang pagbabalik tanaw ng sumulpot si Ice Sigera, na nagdala sa lahat sa isang nakakatuwang paglalakbay sa nakaraan. Nakasuot ng napakagandang damit na tila sumisigaw ng alaala, at may patak ng dating kahiwagaan ng kabataan, pinalakpakan si Ice ng mga tagahanga ng may kasayahan. Para siyang sumakay sa time machine ng kakiutan.
Even Vic Sotto, the man of the hour himself, was left scratching his head in disbelief, trying to figure out who this fabulous creature was. Talk about a jaw-dropping moment. But hey, that's the power of genuine affection, right? It was like a love bomb went off in the room, leaving everyone in awe. The air was thick with a delicious mix of surprise, admiration, and maybe just a pinch of "is this real life?" as Ice's heartfelt tribute unfolded right before their eyes.
Joey De Leon, seated among the audience, suddenly had a belated realization of the person's identity. He exclaimed, "Uy! Si Aiza ba yan? Ang ganda mo ah! Ang ganda-ganda mo!"
It sounds like this birthday celebration for bossing Vic Sotto will be one for the ages. With Ice Sigera's heartfelt tribute, it's sure to be a birthday that he and everyone present will remember for years to come.
Maligayang kaarawan, Bossing Vic. Tunay nga namang isang malaking sorpresa para sa lahat ng Dabarkads sa buong mundo. Marami ang natuwa at naiyak sa nakakaantig na eksenang ito. Hindi matatawaran ang pagmamahal ng mga Dabarkads sa isa't isa. Marami na naman ang napangiti at napasayang Dabarkads. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.
Yes, till next time. Remember to embrace your uniqueness and strive for greatness. This is Shale.
And this is Del.
Of Shale Del Entertainment.
Hindi ko alam bakit ako naiiyak. Ako din
Namnamin mo na. Minsan lang to.